Okay, real quick guys, if you ever have a Honda with a K20 or K24 with a cylinder that's misfiring, and you change the spark plugs and the ignition coils and it doesn't fix, 9 times out of 10 the exhaust valve will always be burnt. This is the third Honda that I bought that has the same problem. And if you really want to check and make sure that if the cylinder is still misfiring after changing spark plugs and ignition coil, you can put a piece of paper in the exhaust tip. Then when it's blowing and pulling the paper, like blowing, pulling, that's because it's pulling because like when the piston is going down on the compression stroke, it's sucking, like it's sucking the air, so it will suck from the exhaust valve because it's burnt. And I found out that the reason why this will happen is because of a bad valve seals. So it's going to keep dripping oil to the exhaust valve, and with time, once it gets hot, it's going to melt. So yeah, all this fucking work just to replace that exhaust valve, it's not worth it, but yeah, in the end it's going to be worth it. Then another thing, the fucking guy who was doing like timing chains before me, he fucking stripped that bolt. So I don't know how I'm gonna get this for sure. I'm really going to try all means to see how I can get this bolt off. I might have to drill it or something, but yeah, I'll see. I'll keep you posted, guys. I might have to break this, then I can use a vice grip or something. I'll just keep you posted actually.